Welcome back, traders, to another live show here. Your host, Mr. Know It All. Thank you guys so much for joining today. Looks like we got Uniswap here making nice moves. Yeah, my live chat not going. What's going on, guys? Yeah, Uniswap looks pretty good, guys. Might see some continuation here on this. All right, we're coming up to the demand or the supply line up here. Obviously already up a nice 22% on the day, but you can see this daily momentum just building, right? So we're looking at this one yesterday, actually in the Zoom session. We were talking about how it was at the 4-hour green band, and that we were making a 4-hour high or low. And here you go, man. This is what happens. Looking at about a 43% move off the bottom band here, right? Beautiful little trade setup there. We had this ATM call out here in the Discord. If you guys are part of the alert service, we called this out yesterday. This was a nice little mover. I think we called this like right around this $10.25 area. We gave a stop, I believe below 10 bucks. We called this out yesterday, right? Let me just double check when this was called out. Yeah, so this was called out yesterday around 2 p.m. Eastern. The price was when posted around 10:40. So yeah, we got all. I think we got through all these take profits up to about 1188. I even gave that as the breakout area. Obviously, didn't quite break out there, but got a nice move up, right? 88, sure. Take a look at it. So 88, we got this nice little push up above this range that we've been stuck in, right, since like end of March here, and now we're back testing this range break, this 126 area. We could maybe consolidate along this area, maybe come over here to that 127 area before we get a nice maybe breakout, right? So we could see some more consolidation as long as we put in some higher lows and hold the demand line here. You know, this is looking pretty good for ADA Cardano, okay? We're gonna look at Alpha. Here, let's take a look at it. We'll look at Link, Alpha, yep. Another one here is GRT. All right, GRT making moves as well. We had discussed this, I believe, on the Sunday stream yesterday. We had identified that. So Alpha, yeah, I mean, you could. We're getting close to. We're at a demand line right now, so we'll see if this gets respected. You know, the 4-hour is going into a major squeeze, and we'll see if this can hold up here, right? We did get some bullish cross here on the 4-hour. You can see the volume kind of receding as well. So this could be maybe getting a bounce here off this demand line if this is respected as a demand line. All right, so we'll see how this plays out on Alpha. All right. Cool. So let's check out Link. Looks like Link just made a lower high for now. I'll look at XRP as well. Yeah. So Link making a lower high here at 34 and change. All right, but we're still making higher lows, right? So We can look at Chili's as well. Yeah, so Link still holding this demand line, right? We're still holding it. Right? As long as we don't break this, we're gonna maybe get a bounce here. 4 hour actually is maybe implying further downside, but let's see. Looks like we're getting a bounce right off the demand line for now on Link, and the hourly is also perfectly doing that. The other shorter time scales actually look better than the 4 hour. All right, so the 4 hour just starting to create that negative momentum on Link, but the hourly looking like we're getting this bounce here. See how high we can bounce. If we can get above this this area here, above this 32.57 area, and maybe get a candle close above it, and then back test it as support to start maybe, you know, consolidating to make a move up. All right. So this looks good in terms of it holding support. Okay. Cool. So URUS, LRC, GRT, and OMG. All right, we'll look at URUS right now. Just looks like some consolidation up here, right? This looks good. I mean, you can see consolidation and you can see accumulation happening here. All right, this is kind of what you want to see. You want to see people accumulating this token here, right? Hey, nice to see you too, Fernando. How's it going, man? All right, cool. So URUS. Look at this software, man. Anyways, yeah, URUS respecting this supply line for right now, and you can basically kind of see that it's just consolidating by this resistance area. This is very bullish looking, guys. This looks very nice. The more consolidation below a major resistance, the more likely it's going to break it, right? So this looks pretty good. And actually you can see maybe some sort of cup with mini handle here, right? It looks like it's forming, right? Anyways, let's get to LRC. Let's go to daily on LRC. All right, LRC breaking the wedge. Looks good. We're looking at a 58% measured move once we completely break out of this, and usually the wedges go back up to the top of the wedge. That is the entire measured move. Looking at about that 90-cent or $1 area for this asset in time, in days, in weeks. Not going to happen right away. All right, and then what did we have? What do we want here? OMG or GRT and OMG. GRT. Yep, GRT broke out of the channel. There it is. There's the breakout. We got it. All right. And we're looking at this 234 area as the major breakout on the daily time scale. Candle body wise, 234 on the breakout. And then you got some wicks up here, right? Got these wick highs to break. But I think that this is ready, man. It's been consolidating since February 12th, man, over a month. And we're looking at an 82% measured move from this breakout. So we're looking at new all-time highs, 340 area for GRT, probably in about a week or two. All right. OMG. OMG got the breakout. Pulling back, right? Pulling back at this $11 area. No big deal. We could easily pull back to, you know, maybe this $8 area even, right? We had a massive move for OMG on this. All right, I would not be shocked to see a pullback, the $8 area. Okay, you can see it just got up to these wicks here, and now we're gonna maybe come back down to back test this breakout. Okay. ETT. Forgot where I have all the data on this, but yeah, also the same for BTT. I mean, let's see. What did we do on this one? I don't even remember where the chart data is on it. Where did I have this? We almost did a 200% retrace. We got really close, got really extended, and we got a pullback, right? So we're now sitting right above this 1618 bib extension here. We can consolidate up here for some time. We've had major impulses here on this asset. It's just consolidating up here. You can see the volume as we're seeing as well. If you continue to put these higher lows in, okay, we can maybe slowly start to get a momentum shifting structure up here. But this could take some more time, right? Because we had some major moves on this asset. Needs a bit of a cool. There needs to be a bit of a cool off period before your next leg up. All right, and you can see that it is just consolidating up here. All right, nice downslope consolidation, and the hourly approaching the STP buy zone here. You can see on the DMI, and you're sitting at like 38 on the RSI. Yeah, you could maybe start averaging into a position here if you'd like, but I would maybe wait for these higher lows. All right, like maybe wait for some 4-hour candle confirmations before you start to go back into this. All right, and you don't want to break this bottom here either. You don't want to break this. Don't break that, and then don't break this. Okay. Sushi made a move. I think we were talking about this the other day. Yeah, we were talking about this the other day. I'm pretty sure. I forgot what chart I had this on, but I think it was the USDT chart. There it is. Yeah. So came right back into the demand line area here. We had this fake breakdown, back tested it, tried to get back above it, came back down, and made a double bottom. Right? Got the double bottom. Right, so sushi, suppose we can redraw this as this part of being the demand line now being respected. But lots of accumulation here. You can see the fluttering here on sushi. And we just broke this this downsloping, call it a wedge. You can call it I guess a wedge, right? So you're looking at like a 46% measured move on sushi. Probably right back up to the all-time highs on sushi. We're gonna check XRP. We're flagging up here, all right? We're flagging up here. Just consolidating now. After this major impulse up, we're gonna maybe see some more consolidation here from XRP for the next leg. We might even get a back test of the breakout, possible. Okay, so you're looking left, right? Looking left in the chart, you can see that you have wicks here at 124. That could be an area you back test. And you got a wick here. You got a wick at 110. You can maybe go back down there. And then obviously these wicks here are like 98 cents. And that's it. I mean, like, you're just consolidating up here. You might get maybe you're overbought on a daily. I would suspect you come back down to back test those levels I just pointed out here, okay, on XRP. What else did we get here? XRP, we got CHZ we got to cover. CHZ break looks like it's about to break out of this wedge that it's been in for some time now. Right, we broke above it. I guess we could redraw, but essentially we got this pivot right here off this 236 fib extension, which is what we wanted to see. You can see how it's starting to make higher lows. This is actually probably a nice little trade setup here for you guys. Let's go to like the 4-hour and see what's happening here. I think we're going to actually get the breakout this time. 4-hour looking really nice. You can see how we're just getting into that 60 zone. And the positive momentum just starting to build here. We're up 7% on the day. You can see the RSI bands in a squeeze here. Now this usually indicates, I mean, we could see some more consolidation before a breakout, but you know, we could get one more back test of the 236 before rocketing. That's a possible scenario. Maybe watch out for that. But overall, looks pretty good. You're just consolidating in this range up here. Let's see. There's lots of stuff going on. Let me see the chart. BTC, ASM. Okay, yeah, we broke this this parabola structure. We broke down, back tested it, failed to make a higher high, came back down. And what did we do, guys? Well, it looks like we're trying to make a double bottom here on the 4 hour. All right, so this could be good. Could actually see some price action back to the upside on this asset. We're gonna redraw that later on, but we know that the top side resistance is still intact. We're looking at you know, we're looking at this double bottom potentially here on Kusama. Okay, this looks good, guys. Are you guys listening? This looks good. Can easily make some bucks on this. You guys are paying attention. Okay. Liking this 4 hour and how it's shaping up here. All right, we got a 4 hour higher candle body high here. We're putting in some wicks, boys. You see those wicks? Those are good. Those are strong. Lots of buying activity here. All right, so maybe falling wedge type action on Kusama. Looking at like a 30% measured move once we break the wedge. Okay. I might even give a setup on this officially. Let's see with the 15 minutes. Okay, yeah. SAR going long. SAR about to go long here. Once we get the 15-minute candle close above the trend line. All right, so ASM looks pretty good actually, right here. Rounding a little wedge pattern. KSM we covered. JSUT. Is that a ticker? No. Amir, what's going on, dude? Aave about to go BTC Super. UMA. UMA putting in a 15-minute, like a 15-minute double bottom here. All right, but we want to look for that 4 hour. That's what we want to look for. All right. So yeah, UMA did break out. All right, we got up to about 28 bucks, and we could see it come back down like where we're at. Could see maybe we're looking for this 4 hour Stokes to cross back up, maybe for another long position on UMA. Okay. We could see a little bit more of a retrace here. We want to wait for these 4 hour candle body higher lows before we can confidently take another long position here. But the hourly might be starting to round out. Like I said, the 15-minute made a double bottom, right? And you know, we obviously didn't do a 100% measured move yet on it. We got plenty of room on this if this is a real breakout, which I think it was. Although I didn't really see you know, a confirmation of volume here. We had like a little blip of volume come in. So have I ever used EXO charts? No, I'm not sure what those are. You mean ChartX? Anyways, Aave. Yeah, Aave broke out of the downsloping consolidation pattern here that we were in, broke out of it, back tested it, and is now rallying again. Right, so we can see maybe 415 here for Aave here in the short term, get up to this level here, and then maybe back up to this level here, 426. And if we can really get, we looked at Uni at the beginning of the stream actually. We did look at it, Shannon. right? Super is another one, right? One of those Binance coins, yeah. Harmony 1, yeah, we can look at it. Everyone's obsessed with that coin. Not sure why either. Yeah, we're looking at it right now, brother. There's not really too much chart data on it. I mean, you don't want to break that demand line, all right? Yeah, I can check OST. You don't want to break this demand line here on Superman. If you do that, you could definitely see, you know, 250s again, and even lower, possibly, all right? Super. Sounds not so super. Okay, OST and 1. So we got the breakout. We're just consolidating here again. This looks pretty good, actually. On the hourly, you can see maybe making some hourly higher lows. See how this hourly candle closes. Maybe we're going to get this move back out on Harmony 1. Looks good, actually. Looks like it could be pivoting right here while on stream. Pretty good. Pretty good. Hourly double bottom came in. See if you can get a move back above 14.7 and then a major rally, right? %. Hey Bones, what's going on? We did not check BTC. We can check it. So BTC just kind of hanging out up here in the 60K range. So BTC all-time high up here is 6160s. We've made lower highs so far, but we could have just put in an hourly doji reversal candle. Okay. No, we have not looked at reserve rights yet. We could look at that. Sure. But this, I mean, this does look like a major cup, right? Major cup with a handle, maybe. Okay, on Bitcoin. Not confirmed yet, but you're making these higher lows. Making these higher lows. Okay. This looks good as well. Like you guys can see, maybe the top side resistance here. You know, are forming maybe some sort of ascending triangle on the way up. Bitcoin looks okay as long as we don't break this demand line here. We'll be good. If we break the demand line, well, we can see that, you know, we got a support there at 59,480, and then we got a support here at 58,860. Okay. And if we can't hang on to these levels, well, we're gonna probably just continue on trucking back down if that's the case, right? 57.7. All these areas here, but we're still making higher lows, guys. Nothing to be worried about just yet. Let's see. What else were we gonna look at? RSR, right? I don't remember where I did my charting on this. We could maybe adjust this now, right? So yeah, just, I mean, it still looks pretty good in terms of it holding and respecting the parabola. This just looks like a back test here, and you're in a trading range, right? So you're just literally in a range from 0.067 to 10 cents. So you're just in between the range. Once you break 10 cents, you're looking at about a 50% move. So break this, you'll go up 50% or 48%. Okay. And the daily looks okay. Like I said, you're getting a back test right here on the daily right now. You're just coming back down to back test this support. Just don't break the demand line here, the parabola structure here. Do that. Well, if you do that, well, we can go back down to 0.075 area. You know, back down to these lows here. Okay. XTZ. Well, we got the breakout, right? Breakout, and now we're getting this back test. It's really that simple. There's nothing really much to cover on this. We're just back testing the breakout right now. And looks like it's honestly going to go to do some stupid stuff. Parabolic mania here, 400% measure move on this. You know, we could see like 15 bucks, 30 bucks on this asset longer term. All right. Covered link. XLM, let's take a look at it. I had to guess, it's probably getting rejected right up here at the supply line. Indeed. Drag that line across, you can see. So yeah, a bit of a pullback here right at the resistance area. We could see some consolidation up here. Is what this is implying. We could maybe so I mean, yeah, you're looking for this nice little wedge opportunity maybe on this. If we can, you know, come back down and just consolidate in here before maybe getting a continuation. Okay. Look at ETH, sure. I don't know what AGI is. Is that a crypto? Oh yeah, it is a crypto. Yep, this thing's on its way to the 1272 fib extension. It looks like I already had these areas marked off. So like 67 to 70 cents for this asset. You can see that it's just trucking on its way up. Nice parabola looking structure, obviously going parabolic here. So looks good. Don't get caught up in this pump. Just take some profits, right? Ryan, thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Appreciate that, brother. All right, ETH. We can cover ETH, sure. Getting caught up right here at the supply line, boys. Right, we got a little bit more rejection here. I still think the pattern's intact though, for sure. Like, we're just we might just pull back one more time, get one more higher low, and then break it. So like, the more you test the supply line, guys, the more likely it's to break it, right? Just like the more times you test the support, the more likely it's to break it. So, still looks okay. I'm still liking it. Liking the fact that we're just consolidating up here. That's pretty bullish. All right, SFP. Interesting chart. Very nice chart. Right? Looks like a new project or a newer coin. But in a nice consolidation like this is This is really nice. This is what you want to see for a long-term type position. You could maybe go long on this asset. We don't know how parabolic this is going to go. It hasn't even really started yet, right? Just between the bottom and the top of this range here is like 200%. We could definitely see this thing have a markup in price about 200% in the coming weeks, right? During this altcoin season. That's what I want to also cover, guys, is total too versus total. Everyone's like freaked out about how we're maybe done with this bull market, and I don't think we are. We covered Aave already, bond. You can just scroll back and look. So here's the weekly on the total 2 versus total. If you're not familiar with this chart this is the altcoins versus the total market cap, which is essentially with Bitcoin and all the other coins, right? So altcoins versus the total market cap, all right. And we just broke out. We're looking at, like I said, you guys know about the falling wedges. Wedges go back to the top, right, which is 0.65 area. So I think, altcoins are going to definitely outperform Bitcoin here in the short term, the next 3 months. I would say we're going to see some serious altcoin moves. We already have seen it. It's already starting. I mean, just look at BNB. That thing's on a tear. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is the altcoin season we've been wanting and waiting for. And somebody requested ATM before, right? I think this was a call out actually in the group. I don't know why my charts aren't effing saving, man, but yeah, this looks like it's just starting, right? Like you could literally just go long on this asset for this altcoin bull market, right? This asset just started, for sure, just started. I don't know where this is going to go. I mean, you already know just from the bottom to the top of the range, looking at 1,400% measured move. We could easily see $55 on this asset, but it's actually implying if we do break 55. We're looking at 1,400% on this, guys. That's a big move, right? That's about, I mean, it's saying $850, but we can maybe do half the move. $200. A nice little 20xer. Longer term trade, guys. All right, longer term trade. WT, yep, you can look at it. Nice little cup continuation pattern. This on a weekly time scale, guys. This does look like a cup, all right? Looking at about 100% measured move once you break the top side of the range, putting you close to that $2 area, right? If you guys are enjoying the content here at STP, make sure you guys smash the like button up, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell. Please do so. Make sure you guys get all the updates here and do not miss the streams. These are free trade setups mostly. Mana, yeah, sure. We were actually looking at that the other day for a setup. I just missed the entry on it, so. But yeah. Mana is trying to break out of the triangle right now. You guys see this, right? Live on stream. The daily just crossing up. I think this is going to make a major move to the upside if we break the supply line. That is the key point here, guys. Gotta break the supply line. If you're unfamiliar with the supply line, it's this top side line here that I've drawn. This is a supply line where a lot of sellers are. If we break it, you guys already know, 54% measured move. And I think I marked it off on the chart for a halfway point, $1.40, $1.36, $1.40 area. Okay. Yeah, there's just an I, the I button up here. Okay. You guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys check out the Discord. That is where all the fun stuff is happening in the community, and you guys should definitely check that out if you guys haven't joined it. And I will post the link here right now in the description, or in the chat for you guys. all the admins here should be actively posting their Discord link if they aren't already. Anyways, here's EOS. We'll check it out. Breaking the parabola structure as shown on the chart. We are implying price action to the upside, looking about a 315% measure move. Looking good. Looking good for EOS, even though I don't really like this project, but looks good. All right, guys. ESG, I don't even know what this is, but check this out. Nice double bottom, bull flag, bull pull, bull flag. This probably can run past its previous high here at 43. This looks very nice. Cup with handle, man. Sand was another one I was looking at last night on the Discord live stream. By the way, that's the other reason why you guys should join the Discord is I frequently go live in Discord for free. Band protocol. Yeah, we can look at Band, we can look at BCH. There's nothing much to really elaborate here, man. You're just consolidating by this resistance area. This looks good. Could see some more consolidation. Could get even another pullback, maybe. All good stuff up here. You guys can see it, right? Holding this nice upsloping trend line. You've been in quite some time. July of 2020. All right, Bitcoin Cash. Got the breakout. We called this breakout back here on $500. We've made a lower high for right now, but what we'd like to see is maybe some basing out here. This could be actually maybe bottoming out here on the hourly. I would wait for like an hourly or 4-hour higher low. Maybe look to trade this back to the upside again. Maybe look for the $630 area if we get a further pullback. Okay. Mark, yeah, we were covering that before. Phillies does look good. H bar. You know, at a demand line, we broke below it, came back above it, back tested it, sprung off of it, and now we're right back at it. All right. So this demand line is being respected. So we could almost take a position right here, right, guys? Right low, higher low on the 15. Even on the hourly, we're showing that those higher lows being made. Who's having fun right now? Who's enjoying the stream? Let's see some ones in the chat if you guys are enjoying the stream today. Well, you just kind of broke below the demand line for right now. But it didn't look like a big break, okay? You're just kind of chopping around down here. You're holding this support. Yes, dude, we get it. You're enjoying it. Okay, guys. Okay. Excellent. I mean, this could be maybe an area to do it on FTM. Because, yeah, we did break this demand line just briefly. It doesn't mean we can't break back above it, right? So, because the daily's still above it, right? The daily's right on it, okay? Yeah, I mean, shorter time scales are, well, if you guys are enjoying it, let's get those likes up, man. We only got 28 likes. We got 50 people watching. Let's smash those up to at least 45. Let's go. I want to see those go up real quick, real fast when I do this analysis here on FTM. Come on, let's get them up. You guys really appreciate what I'm doing. You guys just smash the like button. It really takes like 2 seconds. Just, you know, click your mouse. Just click the button. Come on. I saw one. Somebody did it. One person went. All right, we got 2 people that went. Come on. Let's get them up. Come on. We only got 4 likes since I asked you guys to hit the like button. I don't even do it that often, man. There's YouTubers that'll sit there all day. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Come on, guys. Let's just go. Let's just do it. Yeah, so you want to see the daily candle, you know? You want to see the daily candle just close above the demand line. That's really important. And obviously closing green on the day would be good too. Yeah, like right now you're right on it, right? You're right on it. So you definitely want to see this. Laughing at me, man. Yeah, I don't know, man. People just. Gotta have fun at some time, you know, like I'm just staring at these charts all day, you know. I don't know. I'm doing this shit for you guys, man. Like what? Like what am I really gaining from this right now? You know, obviously some of your guys' attention. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm literally just giving you guys my brain for free for an hour, man. So if you guys don't appreciate that, I don't know what the F to say, right? Come on. Smash it up. I'm surprised we only got 40 people watching right now. I know it's the middle of the workday, but all good. All right, well, we did get some likes. Appreciate that. And I lost about 12 viewers. I lost about 12 viewers going through that rant. So I guess you guys don't really like that. I won't be doing that again. Anyways, let's look at Alice. She might be looking like she's ready to rock. Yeah, so Alice just consolidating, man. Like, had this crazy green dildo up here, and we made the top, and then now we're just consolidating here. See on the 4 hour, we're in a nice squeeze. making higher lows on the RSI as well. This could be something to look at, guys. So this is what we got on Alice, all right? This is like a flag, a big flag, right? From like 10 cents, man. Craziness on this one. But I think we break above this this parabola structure. You're looking at a 70% measured move, man. 70% measured move. Now right back up to about $26 area, doubling in price essentially from here. We're just getting some pullbacks today, guys. That's all. What's my coin of the day? I'd probably say Uniswap, man. Right, we're getting this nice move up. Setting triangle. Getting the breakout right now. ERT looks pretty good too. We covered a bunch of good ones, guys. Go scroll back and look. All right. CHZ was looking good as well. What platform can I use to buy coins that are not in BNB? Not sure what you mean by that. EOS we covered, looked good. IOTA we can cover. Sure. IOTA broke out of the triangle, got on a 35% move on the weekly, and now you're just coming back down to back test. And this area right here, I haven't even marked off on the chart. Perfect. Rose, yeah, let's look at Rose. I got a bag of Rose. Sitting on a bag of it, boys. Rose just coming back down to back test the wick on the weekly right now. Right? This wick high here, we're right there. We're sitting right there. Looks like a consolidation up here. This looks bullish to me. Doesn't look bad. Just consolidating up here, guys. Consolidations are good. Healthy. Want to see those. Right, you can see this demand line being completely respected still. Way back here. And the range on this is about a 79% measured move. Storage. Still just consolidating. I actually don't participate using the bots because I just don't have time to manage them, man. I work a full-time day job as well as doing this for the STP alert service and the YouTube channel, right? So you can imagine I have lots of content I'm building every day. I'm going to be actively making a course as well, so my time is kind of limited in terms of managing trades and stuff like that. I do post swing trades. Obviously, I'm more of a longer-term swing trader than I am a scalp trader or day trader. Yep, I will probably be learning how to use SAR here shortly. I've been saying that for the last couple months, just haven't had the time, to be honest. So, but SAR is a great product, probably one of our best products that we have, that we do offer. All right. Fundy's flying, nice. All right, so storage, downslope consolidation. We got the back test off the 886. We've been kind of rounding and holding these lows here. We want to continue to see that. If we can continue to hold these lows and hold this area of support, well, you guys already know. You guys already know what will happen if we hold these areas here. Right? We hold this this 230 area. We can maybe get a rally back above this downsloping supply line, right? Looking at like what, 40%. We can break back above it, putting us back to the top of the range, and obviously making new all-time highs for this asset. Okay. Storage looks good. We're just consolidating up here. Bell, we can look at Bell. Good, Dex. Good job. Way to listen, way to pay attention. Make sure you join the Discord and support the community that way. All right. So Bell, we can redraw a little bit here. All right, we're inching really close here on this. All right. Soldier, we'll chart it in a sec. So Bell getting close to the parabola structure here. You guys can see this. We're still holding these lows, which is good. Still holding these lows. Rudy, we just talked about storage, man. It's just consolidating. Yeah, so we can look for maybe a 4-hour higher candle body low here. If we can hold these lows and maybe put a Dragonfly Doji reversal candle in here, we could maybe look for a trade setup on this. I say maybe because, well, we're sort of showing maybe a bottom being put in, all right? Not confirmed yet, though. We're getting awfully close. You can see how close we are to this green RSI band down here, right? So if we can put a low in here, then we can get maybe a nice rally out of here. We covered Chili's, man. Falling wedge for sure. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. Bullshit is a oh, okay, yeah, the 3x long shitcoin perp. Nice. Soldier. Shitcoin perp for the win. I'm pretty sure that's also a, what is it? It's called shit perp. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, Anchor was another one that was gonna go off and rally here. Call this one out in the Discord. Yeah, no problem, guys. We're all right. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you guys don't have any other tickers, make sure you guys, again, smash the like button up and hit the subscribe button and tick the little bell if you guys are new to the channel. Guys, if you guys don't appreciate the content, I understand. Just go somewhere else, okay? No. Anyways, join the Discord, join the movement. Invest in yourself today, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I got some actual day job stuff to do, so I know it sucks, but I got to do it. All right, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Catch you guys in the Discord. You can DM me if you guys have any questions about any of the STP products. I'm here for you guys. Catch you tomorrow.